Well, being a Formula 1 driver this year, 2010, is a great feeling. Enjoying it pretty much so far. I mean, we're just about to go to the first race, and I'm to be honest, very excited about this. Yeah, I think being test driver, or having been test driver for Williams for 2 years, 2008 and 2009, definitely was a good thing. Even though last year I didn't do a lot of running due to the regulations, but in 2008 I was able to pick up a lot of experience on testing, and I think it definitely prepared me a bit already for the season. Yeah, the working in the factory was split in 3 different parts. I was working in the wind tunnel, in the sub-assembly area, and in the composite shop, but it was just to get a bit more or better technical knowledge. I picked up a lot of interesting things there, which will not make me quicker on a one-time lap, but which just make me a bit more better in understanding technical issues. I think winter testing hasn't been too bad for us. We had some little issues here and there which stopped us from running a bit more, but I think we got prepared pretty well, did a lot of running. And I think performance-wise we're not looking too bad. It looks pretty tight though, with a lot of good teams at the front. Also this year with the new regulations we start all on similar fuel levels, so it will all be tighter than in the past, I think. But I definitely see good potential for us to be close to the front. Yeah, you definitely feel a difference between the first test in Valencia and the last test in Barcelona. You see the progression, you see the improvements we've made. Even though it's 2 completely different circuits, you still feel how the car has changed. I feel very positive about Cosworth, to be honest. We started off with some issues, a bit difficult, but then they solved, and we solved the issues pretty quickly, and now it was always reliable. And we never had big issues with this, and also power-wise, I think it felt pretty good. My relationship with Rubens is, I think, pretty good so far. We haven't seen each other a lot because there's always this crossover. When I do my last day of testing, he comes at the evening or the other way around, so we haven't had a chance to have a very long chat or a coffee together, but I'm sure that will change in the races. Well, I'd be happy at the end of this year if I can look back and I look on my account and I see a lot of points. Of course I'm dreaming about winning races, but right now I don't want to say that. But for sure, I think I'm targeting always to go in the points and score podiums. I think definitely it's going to be an exciting year, even though people say that every year. But yeah, I think with the rule changes again and with different driver lineups, new teams in the Formula 1 Championship, it's going to be exciting, yeah.